Dustin Robbins here. Thanks for tuning in to ALLTHINGZUTV.COM. As most of you know, we've got a pretty popular differential kit on the internet. What we've come up with is an affordable, fully loaded 70-75 60 millimeter spray to convert your 15 and 16 model XP1000 55 millimeter spray. The longer the rollers, the better the bite. As you can see right here on this 15 model XP1000 front diff, you've got this clean roller mark here. There's no bite there because the rollers are too short. So you're actually compromising and leaving contact patch over here on the inside cups. Comes with a black spacer from the factory. What we've done is we've got the spacer built to slide in past the bearing, and then what that does, it opens it up enough to accommodate the 60 millimeter spray. So the more contact bite, the less slippage and the less breakage. This kit comes with a Wicked Weasel armature plate, toughest plate on the market, hands down. I mean, scientifically, just proven the Wicked Weasel plate is the toughest plate on the market today. Comes with an HD drop-in roll pin. The drop-in roll pin, it eliminates the factor of having to go find a carbide drill bit to drill out your roll or your ring gear. And then it comes with a fully loaded rollers, H-clips and everything, 70-75, all things UTV spray. This is not a super ATV. It's almost comparable, if not exactly comparable, but this is our own spray that we actually import. The kit can be found online, $485. Converts your 15-16 XP1000 back to a 14 model XP1000. It has more bite. Also, Polaris went to the 60 millimeter Sprag in the 17 and 18 model turbos because it was a much better design. Check us out, ALLTHINGZUTV.COM. We've got the Sprags by themselves. We've got the roll pins by themselves. We've got the Wicked Weasel armature plates. A lot of those in stock. And then we've got seal kits, differential kits, everything that you need. But the Beast Mode kit, full kit, $485. ALLTHINGZUTV.COM. Thanks for tuning in. Hope this helps.